The Galaxy S25 lineup is finally here, and wow, it looks stunning. But wait, are these new colors just covering up the same old story? A sleek design with some hidden compromises? Watch this video before you decide and risk regretting it later. And hey, before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's get started. The Galaxy S25 lineup, design and colors. Samsung is back, and they're turning heads once again. This year's trio, the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, is here to set new benchmarks for premium smartphones. While the S25 and S25 Plus look familiar with a design that echoes last year's models, the real excitement lies in the fresh lineup of colors. Samsung is spoiling us with options like Silver Shadow, Mint, Icy Blue, and Navy. But wait, if you're feeling bold, their exclusive online-only shades, like blue, black, pink, gold, and the showstopper coral red, are where it's at. Clearly, Samsung wants you to stand out in style. The S Pen controversy. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the S Pen. It's back, but this year, it comes with some drama. Samsung decided to drop Bluetooth support, which means no more remote photo snapping or presentation control. Their reasoning? Apparently, those features weren't widely used. But if you were a fan, you might feel a little let down. Will Samsung bring back a Bluetooth-enabled S Pen with the S26 Ultra? Only time will tell. S25 Ultra. Beauty meets functionality. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is the real star of the show. For the first time, Samsung is softening the Ultra's iconic boxy edges with slightly rounded corners. The result? A design that's just as premium as before but much more comfortable to hold. And here's another win. It's slimmer and lighter than ever. At 8.2mm thick and 218G, the S25 Ultra trims down from last year's 8.6mm and 233G. It's a refinement that makes the Ultra not just a beauty to behold, but a pleasure to use. Smarter than ever. Samsung's Galaxy AI and One UI 7 are stepping up in big ways. Imagine watching a YouTube video about travel, and your phone automatically creates a list of destinations mentioned, or adds event details directly to your calendar with just a tap. That's the kind of convenience we're talking about here. There's more. Personalized daily briefings, real-time call transcription, and other thoughtful touches make the S25 lineup feel smarter and more integrated into your daily life. Camera revolution. When it comes to cameras, the S25 Ultra takes the crown. Its ultra-wide lens gets a huge upgrade, jumping from 12MP to an impressive 50MP. But there's a small catch. The 3x telephoto lens is still at 10MP, no change from last year. Maybe Samsung is saving the big telephoto upgrades for next year's S26 Ultra? Meanwhile, the S25 and S25 Plus cameras remain unchanged hardware-wise. Charging and battery. A missed opportunity? Battery life? Still solid. But groundbreaking? Not so much. Unfortunately, there's no CH2 magnetic wireless charging this year. Yes, Samsung does offer cases with this feature, but let's be real, built-in support would have been a game-changer, especially for fans of sleek, caseless designs. A missed opportunity? Definitely. Should you upgrade or wait? Here's the twist. Many of the new AI features in the S25 lineup will eventually roll out to older Galaxy devices. So, if you already own a recent Samsung flagship, you might want to wait and see what your current phone gets before upgrading. But if you're all about having the latest and greatest, the S25 lineup is hard to resist. The Galaxy S25 lineup is Samsung's boldest move yet, blending refined design, smarter features, and a touch of controversy. Whether it's the fresh colors, camera upgrades, or the ultra-sleek redesign that catches your eye, there's plenty to love, and maybe a few things to question. Stay tuned for our deep dive comparing the S25 Ultra to the S24 Ultra. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and let us know in the comments. Will you be upgrading? See you in the next one.